This is the text behind an island, and the challenge here is to see if I can create it within 120 seconds using Wondershare Filmora. Hurry up! The very first thing we need right here, my dear friend, is an island, and I got some stuff prepared. Island clips downloaded from Storyblok. Now I can move the cursor from the previous screen right here and then use this option to grab a screenshot. And to match up with the text on this thumbnail right here, I'm going to add a quick 3D text from here. And once that is done, then I have to do some customizations. Now that the text and the image are here, it's time for the main thing. Let's find out. To put up this 250 million title behind an island, we need a second layer of this island right here on the foreground. And to do that, let's try to use the AI portrait. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not working out. Let's try the AI masking. Right here, I start by select character option. No valid object detected. Or let's try the smart brush option. There we go. Not so fast. After realizing that all other methods are not perfect enough, it's time for the real thing, the hardest of all.
Let's begin, shall we? Shall we?
Select this option right here and set the zoom level to 400%. And after that, delete these previous attempts that we have here. And then select the draw mask. Now you drag the preview window right here this way and then you maximize it. And use this small square right here to move the view to where you want it to be.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
And right here I'm done, my dear friends. This is the final result, as perfect as I wanted. And if you have liked the video, then or wait for the next one. Oh sorry, I wanted to say subscribe, and yet still this is the next one. Peace.
Bye.